Did you know that for the financial year 2025-26, on a gross salary of up to 12,75,000 rupees, your income tax can be zero? This isn't a trick. It's the new, powerful reality of tax planning for this financial year. In this new financial year, every salaried professional faces a big decision, a choice between two tax regimes. On one side, there is the traditional old regime, and on the other, the new tax regime, which is now your default option. This isn't just a choice, it is a critical factor that will determine your take-home salary. The Finance Act of 2025 has made the new tax regime incredibly powerful. It gives you three major upgrades. The tax slabs have been simplified and the rates have been lowered, ensuring you save at every level. The standard deduction has also been increased to 75,000 rupees. And the most significant change is the enhanced tax rebate. Here is how it works. This rebate makes your tax liability zero if your taxable income is up to 12 lakh rupees. When you add the 75,000 rupees standard deduction, it means on a gross salary of up to 12,75,000 rupees, you pay no income tax. Absolutely zero. So the question is, after all these benefits, why would anyone choose the old regime? The answer is the trade-off. To gain the simplicity and the lower tax rates, the new regime asks you to give up most of your deductions like house rent allowance or HRA and popular deductions for investments and savings like Section 80C. The old regime can still be beneficial for those who have very large deductions such as home loan interest or a substantial HRA claim. This is the biggest financial question of the year. Will you give up your deductions to take advantage of the simple lower tax rates, or are your investments and expenses so high that the old regime is still better for you? The decision is yours, and for salaried individuals, it can be made every single year. And this decision matters now. Why? Because your choice directly impacts your employer's TDS calculations for the entire year. This is why smart planning starts now. You must inform your employer of your choice. If you pick the old regime, you also need to declare your planned investments and expenses using Form 12BB. This ensures your tax is deducted correctly every month, saving you from a large tax bill when you file your final return. And that final return filing date is July 31st, 2026. These new rules, especially the new regime, are designed for one purpose: to give you both simplicity and more money directly into your hands. These rules are giving you control. You can either choose the old regime for disciplined, tax-saving investments, or choose the new regime, pay less tax, and decide for yourself how to invest, spend, or save that money. Tax planning is no longer just an end of your chore. It is a strategic decision that gives direction to your financial future. Choose wisely. This is more than a tax rule. It's an opportunity. Take charge of your financial future starting today.